Hey, this is Shanshan. I do specials on eBay and I sell off shanshan.co. I want to give you a tip of the day about postcards. So, back in the 80s, a little bit dating, 90s even, people would regularly send out postcards to galleries to try to get in or their collector base. But nowadays, most artists are using Facebook, they're using Twitter, they're using Instagram, which is highly effective and a great way to reach out. But what you can do is if you sell, say through eBay, you can go through PayPal, you can get that email and start collecting an email list. And once you have a strong email list, also collect their physical address where you're sending it to. So what you can do is maybe every 3 months, maybe 4 months, probably every 3 months at least, maybe even once a month, is go through your list and send out a postcard, a physical postcard. Most people get junk from, I don't know, the grocery store or whatever's in that kind of spam that gets in your mailbox, but they don't often get artist postcards. So they'll be excited to see a new postcard from you with a personalized kind of message. I just type mine out and make sure it's really personalized and sign it so it saves me time because it's typed, and then I just printing out a whole bunch, stick it on top of the postcard, sign it, done, out the door. It's faster that way. I do customize the header to the person, so I'll say "Dear Melissa," blah blah blah, the standard text, and then say thanks, and then I'll sign my name, Shanshan, right? So personalize each one with their name. You'll have to copy in their physical address, your address, for the postcard to work. That's how it works. And then you have a stamp. You can go to the post office. There's a special stamp for postcards. It's cheaper than a letter. So definitely go to the post office and order those special stamps. That'll save you an extra nickel or 10 cents per send. So that's really valuable. As far as it will cost you about 30 cents and then maybe 10 cents for that postcard to print it out. So it's 40 cents. It's a lot more than, say, a Facebook reach out. So I only do it every 3 months because of that extra cost. But because it's unusual and people don't usually do it at all today, they just hand out postcards and they might put them up at the grocery store or something. But most people are not physically sending them anymore. So this is a really great way to reach your fan base. You already exist. They've already bought work from you. So they already like your work. So it's a great way to reach out. Selling to someone that's already bought your work once is probably about 7 times easier than a brand new customer. So think about that. Reach out to your existing customer base through postcards.